On time this time. Yes, 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 yes. I need to charge my headphones though, so music won't be till a little later. What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? Bro, I've just been editing my video, of like when we're in Queenstown. You guys want a sneak peek? You want a sneak peek? First hole. Kind of nervous, to be honest. She's playing such a pristine course. Alright. It's crazy, bro. In the fairway, first tee. Let's go. That was wild. I was so nervous about that. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Evening. What's in the bowl? This is Milo and vanilla ice cream. Protein. Okay. How's everyone been? Just been constant moves back up, filling all of this imbalance. Hasn't it? Which is nice. Like pretty easy to see, just following trend, continuing on. Damn, that's throwback, that mix. Oh, brother, that's institutionalized, that one. That's the, when you've been good for a month kind of desserts. So, if price is going to continue to come up, this is where it's going to come to. What I see at the moment is just getting rejection at the highs. Came all the way down, got rejection off this point of interest. Try to take these lows, didn't come into it. Point of interest still down here. Could definitely keep following the narrative of bringing value to the dollar, just to push gold back down. Because what we're seeing higher time frame is very solid bearish pushes and slow returns. Big push, slow return. Big push, just slowly returning. So wondering whether or not price is just going to go boom. That would be nice. That would be nice for us to see. And the news that we have coming up tonight, not like heaps, but PCE, it's definitely going to put some volume into the market for us to see. Yeah. Bomba clat. Haven't done that in a while. Do you layer the ice cream in Milo as well? I don't, bro. I used to. I try not to have like all of the Milo now. Bro, the amount of Milo that I buy is crazy. The kids smoke it, eh? Oh, that is beautiful. That's yum. The old Milo and ice cream. So yeah, that could be the narrative. Whether or not price is going to continue to come up into this point of interest, we have to wait and see. We have to see what market structure is going to do for us. That's what I'm seeing on that at the moment. Not going to look at NAS and US 30, but yeah, pretty much just continued on with what price was doing. Got the rejection. It was telling us that it was going to go up with news. Went up initially, came all the way back down, and then pumped. So yeah, sometimes fundamentals can tell us which way it's going to go, but this is why we use market structure to tell us when we can go into those trades. So yeah, EU GU, pretty similar thing, just all throughout today. I'm trying to fill this imbalance from yesterday, and same with GU. Just same things, man. Just same things. UJ, just massive push, which is understandable. Very, very nice push off here. Slow move, boom, and then continuing. GJ, just getting rejection up at these highs. Took the liquidity that was sitting above this area here. So crazy, man. If you guys have watched the free course videos in WAP, you guys will understand what we're looking for in terms of liquidity. So now we're starting to get this bearish move. Got a message from my guy George that GJ could be on the sell. So yeah, waited for liquidity to be taken, and then yeah, currently selling it down. Yeah, but that's what we're looking for at the moment. So we're going to jump into the 1 minute just to see what the 1 minute's going to do. It's going to tell us what price action is going to do. We've got about 10 minutes until COMEX open happens, and then we have the news 10 minutes later. So should see volume coming in there. My bad. Let's have a look at news. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we got core personal consumption expenditures, price index, PCE. Let's have a look. Crazy drop on copper might have an impact with gold and oil. I'll be honest, bro. Like I've never looked at copper, nor do I trade oil. Yeah. Why is this not working? Right. Okay. Here we go. What are we predicting? Anywhere between this and this. Forecast 3.8, estimated 3.75. So higher than forecast, good, blah, blah, blah. Lower than forecast, gold bullish, currency bearish. I mean, the way that everything's been going, it could definitely be higher than that. Definitely be higher than forecast. We'll wait to see what market structure is going to show us. Like I still, at the moment, like being within this range, here's areas that it can go either way. You know, we've got this down here where price can go, and this is huge demand. Like price is going to come back down into here. Whether or not this is the news that's going to do it, or this is the news that starts to push it back up. So when NFP comes in, it pushes it all the way back down again. Like that's not crazy to think about. So yeah, it's a hard one because in this range that we're working within, like this is the range from yesterday's high, and then the low, and we're literally in the middle. So it could go either way from this point. What do I think it's going to do? I think it's going to go down. But the way that price is moving and how it's moving in structure, it's giving bullish. So, tough one, man. Tough one. Tough one, man. Let me just put online that we're online. What is market predicting? Market's predicting that it's going to be lower than forecast. So, meaning that it's going to be bad for the dollar and gold should be going up. When the potty with keys going live? Probably a couple of weeks away, bro. Just need to get everything edited. Not keen on NAS. Like to trade NAS with news. I mean, NAS is just pumping, bro. It's a tough one, man. It is a tough one, man. Not really. Like I'll trade NAS with NFP because it moves pretty similar to gold. Like they should do the same move with NFP. With all these other pieces of news, it's hard to predict what price is going to do. So if price just starts dropping, do you look for setups or jump on that momentum? I'm still going with market structure. Like if it starts, like price has created this high, we've pushed above all of these levels, it's come back down to this point of interest and now going back up. So if price started dropping, coming down here, I'm not getting into a sell. More than likely, I would rather go into a buy because it's still just going with structure. However, this is the 1 hour, so if we're looking at 5 minute, high, low. So we've had internal 5 minute closure below, price is coming up. So yeah, it just depends on market structure for me. Because like that momentum could just be, coming back down to the low to then push up to the high. Got a call booked in tomorrow with the team. Looking forward to it. Let's go. Let's go, Bruss. Love that. It's such a good pudding. Such a good pudding. Vanilla ice cream costs like $6. A thing of Milo is like $5, and you can have like at least 20 puddings from it. How good. How's the new car, George? Did you get it today? Yeah, bro, went and grabbed it today. Nice. How long did it take you to be profitable, Bruss? Oh, bro, like 18 months. So for first 14 months of me starting to learn trading, lost like 50 grand, decided to spend money and learn properly. And then 6 months after that, started making actual profits. W. Jordan, need a vlog? Yes. Need the vlog. A sea roller. Bro wouldn't fit in a sea roller. Do you still have psychology dramas at all? Yeah, for sure, bro. For sure. For sure. It's just being able to identify those psychology triggers and being able to consciously change them. That's what's going to get you profitable, man. When's George getting the AI tattoo? Yeah, that's a good question. That's a good question, George. When are you getting it? No, he was actually talking about getting it, and he said that like if he does, he's probably going to get it over here on his face, which is a little bit out of it. Hey, George. Like, I didn't know that you're that committed. A civic. These guys, Russ. All right, 1 more minute away. 1 more minute away. Mike Tyson effect. Bruh's nothing. Nothing. Giving us a nyangara. Giving us nyangara. What is price going to do, bro? Missed a buy from demand zone to too busy sleeping. Missed out on the 400 pip move. Yep. From down here, you're not ideal. All right, 8 minutes until the news. What's it going to do? Anyone have any ideas? Any, what do you call it? What do you think is going to happen? What's your analysis? Share it with the group. Let's have group sharing time. Because if we can get the overall sentiment, surely all of our lot sizes are going to move the market. Waiting for market structure. Yes, sir. Yes, we are waiting for market structure. It's bloody happened, man. What are you bloody doing, man? Hi, Hadi, what are your thoughts? I'm thinking market structure and is on a pullback to retest 316. Or possibly look into. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Like at the start of the call, what's going to happen. So, higher time frame, either just going to see it continue to melt, or they're going to use news to pull price back up into here, and then hopefully continue to melt. So, being in the middle of the range at the moment, hard to predict where price is going to go. Yeah. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. Wait and see what's going to happen. My bad. Sorry. Sorry about that. Getting rejection, a little bit of consolidation through here. Bit of liquidity through here on GJ. Point of interest up here. Liquidity potentially taken here too. Just want to see that lower time frame structure. Bro, do you have much people in the that's under 20? No. I don't actually know. I don't actually ask for people's ages. I think there's one or two, eh? I think there's one or two. Yeah, let me see if my headphones are good to go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we've got 4 minutes, people. We've got 4 minutes. Even if from place to place. Do you trade London? Yeah, bro. I don't trade. I don't go live on London because it's just boring. Anyone trade Africa Session? I have never heard of Africa Session in my life. Never in my life have I heard Africa Session. All right, minute left. Since you trade on 1 minute, is 1 hour the max time frame you look at, or you go all the way to daily? I go on all of them, brother. All of them. What's goody? The more of a bias you have, the more top-down analysis you do, the better understanding you're gonna have. I trade the Somali incision. Nah, you guys are capping, bro. You guys are cap, bros. That's crazy, bro. What's chat doing tonight? What the? Oh, bros. What about Tongue incision? Oh, fucking hell. Okay, what are we doing, chat? Buys or sells? I'm not going to trade it. But I think that it's going to go up. I'll take the Rust incision, but it's been shaky lately. No, you're so wild, bro. Up or down, up or down, up or down. Oh, we're coming down? Oh, yes. Some more incision at the markets, wait a minute. Super Grok is saying neutral to bearish sentiment. Super Grok. No idea who that is, my guy. Sell. It is night. Hold hand. Walking around. Conversation for us. Fall apart. Little by little, someone was a whistle. It don't matter. Yeah. So it was just even. I know it was forecasted, so it was more. I thought forecast was 2.8. There we go. There we go. Yep, up. Going down. Nothing happening though. Like it's not even gonna do much, bros. Then you fall again. You'll find. Could see buys on US 30. Nope, it's fucking melting. Someone blows the whistle. Slow it all down. Little by little, someone blows the whistle. It don't matter in the end. Slow it all down, yeah. That's nothing. What is that? 60 pips. 60 pips for the news. How embarrassing. How embarrassing, PCE. Do better. This is why I stay away from news like this. It's just weird. When news doesn't push more than 100 pips, it's just weird, man. You're weird for doing that, you know? You know what I mean? Like it was good for the dollar, right? Good for the dollar, dollar's going up. Why did gold go up? Tell me that. Tell me that, man. Could get rejection at this point though. It just came into a... What are those words? Point of interest again, getting rejection. Is this going to be what makes it go down though? I'll be back. Just need to go toilet. Together one day, no we will, yeah. Gold's drunk. Bro, honestly, man. Like the only news that I will trade, Jolt's jobs opening, FOMC, the two newses that came out last night, NFP, GDP. Oh, that was last night. But like these other ones, bro, just... You're drunk. What doing? I will follow. You know it. Hey, Hadi, I saw your podcast with a kid who was 3 weeks in and learning quickly. I think his name Isley. How is he going at the moment? Any updates? Yeah, bro. So there was actually Ali's nephew. He's gone, like he was a builder, so he's still building, bro. But after the potty, like he ended up passing, I don't know, bro, like a ridiculous amount of things. I think he got a couple of payouts and stuff, but yeah, just, you know, still young, still working, still, yeah, figuring it out, you know. You'll never leave my heart. You're my queen and I'm forever yours. Some days are better than others. Other days can seem so far. Till I get you back in my arms. Oh my God, gold. Buys or sells tonight? I mean, it's bro, nothing at the moment. Nothing happening at the moment. Like still just with the bias that it's going up. We haven't had much indication that it wants to go down. Ugh. Uncle Power said the US econ is strong and won't look for Fed. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I mean, bro. Like they're bringing value back to the dollar and it shows. Like it show. Let's go to hourly. Look at it. They're bringing value. Like it's starting to create that bullish momentum. And so then we have another look at gold. Gold's starting to create that bearish momentum. So, in my head, we're just ranging like up and down here. But this is what we're gonna do on the on the weekly at the moment. Like we go up 1 week, come down 1 week. So as I was saying earlier, target obviously being this high up here until we get confirmation that it wants to go down. Another news predicted though. Technicals, fundamentals, man. If you can match those up, I'm telling ya, crazy profit. I just entered a sell for God. Oh well, here we goes. 3311. See how we go, brus. Oh man, do you know why has he decided to go back to building after payouts? Was it the long-term consistency he was having trouble with? I'm not too sure, bro. Like I haven't caught up with him. Like the thing is that you have to like fully commit. Like if you want to do trading full time, you have to fully commit to what you want to do, you know? And like, yeah, like the company he works for is a family company, I think. So, yeah. Stop loss hit. Unlucky, bruss. Started your EP on the 1st of July and last couple of weeks took some small lessons, and tonight spotted, waited for market structure and was patient and it worked 1 to 8. Let's go, bros. I love to hear that. That's so cool. Well done, bro. Did Spread get you out? There's a war in my... There's a war in my head. Can you feel my fire burning? Any free entry on the course, Huddy? But there's free course on the WAP. I put a couple of free courses out yesterday. What do you mean fully commit? You know, like fully commit into doing the entire stuff. Like it's just spending time constantly learning, spending time constantly doing analysis, you know? And like, although you can do it on like a part-time basis, yeah, to become like fully profitable, making good money, consistent money, yeah, it takes attention to detail in what you should be doing. The bullish trended. Any link on what? Bro, if you go to my Instagram, and then go into the... Don't half-ass, pretty much, bros. If you go into my Instagram, the link will be in the bio. It'll have free courses. Can you feel the fire burning? Brother. Bro, this is the slowest shit I've seen in ages. What is happening, bro? What does this even do? Nothing. It's doing nothing all day. Like it's getting moved, but bruh. What are these candles, bruh? This is yuck. This is annoying as fuck. Oh, bruh. What are these candles, bro? Market's waiting for NY session to open. You mean NYSE? Is this in the month things? Yeah, often, bro. Often. But like it still gets volume. Like it's not a different day. People aren't like end of the month, let's see what's, you know, let's not trade. It's the middle of the week, man. Still in the sell for gold, had entered off of that POA and re-entered on the trace. Where's your stoppy guy? Where's the stoppy guy? Everyone's going on the sell, eh? Everyone's been on that sell, bros. NYSE, yes sir. What's that? What's what, my guy? There's no confirmation. Yeah. A stop loss. My guy. And that's true to do, baby. No free course on top, my guy. No free course on top? What do you mean? On WAP? Just letting you know, WAP link says nothing to see here, not sure. Or for everyone. Later team, have a good one. Shot for the gems rule. Say less, brother. There's the course there, like it's on WAP, 3 different videos, and then there's the PDF. Oh, you just can't even see that, eh? So there's those 2 courses. It's in the free Rehuddies free community on WAP. So there's Ambitious, which obviously you guys can't get access to unless you're paying for the course, and then there's the free community. And so the link should be to the free community. I'll fix it after this though, but they're definitely in there. I know that a few people have got into it. I'm currently holding buys, but per week from sales to buys. USD is going up, but gold isn't going down, man. Yep. That's what's crazy at the moment. Gold should start going down soon. Well, waiting for it to do it. Let it in. Gold doesn't have to move in correlation with DXY all the time. Facts. Are you able to bring up futures chart of gold, bro? There was a massive gap during yesterday, and price literally filled it today during the sell. I don't actually have it, bro. When's that merch dropping? I only got some for me and the bro George, eh? I didn't know whether anyone would be keen, you know. I didn't want to order heaps and just be like, you know. So what I will do is, if we get enough interest, we'll just take all the pre-orders. Like, it's not going to be expensive. Like, we're not doing it to make money. But if you guys want to rip it, then 100%. So we'll get some pre-orders done, then I'll go get them all done, and then we'll ship them out to you. Bro, love that song. Love that Waiata. What currency correlates with gold? Yeah, Dexy. Dexy does, but it doesn't always have to move like that. But yeah, you checked out, but says nothing to see here. Thought you might be trolling. Nah, it's on there, cuz. It's on there. 100%. Need that embroidery, ambitious Mitch. Bro, I want to get embroidery, but like, yeah, have to send that away to like China, bro, because the places here, they don't have a huge embroidery thing. Futures Gate would have been changing charts, bro. Fucking oath, lad. What's your guys' thoughts though on the merch? I just made those myself on Canva. What's your guys' thoughts on my creativity? I've got heaps of ideas, I just don't know how to design them. Like I've always just wanted to make my own clothes, eh? Yo, like the front print looks clean. Who designed them? I designed them, bros. For me, the link works. Have to join the free community and go courses. It doesn't work when you directly click on the free course on his Telegram. Right. Do you reckon it's consolidating and then manipulate upwards and then drop for the sellers? Well, as I was at the start of this is where I think we're targeting to then drop. Unless it's just going to get rejection from here and drop, but there's still imbalance and there's still point of interest above. So there should be some liquidity sitting up here and even liquidity sitting above here coming into this. So whether that's just going to slowly push up between today and tomorrow and then NFP drop, who knows, bruhs, who knows? Drop them, please. I'm too far invested into trading. Say less. You got merch? Yo. It's on my Instagram, bros. On my Instagram. Bro, when they say they want inflation at 2%, but it's higher, say 3%, do banks and institutions stop investing or borrowing money, creating lower low, higher low? Then the opposite for higher high, higher low. I mean, look at it this way, bros. If inflation rate and interest rates are high, then what happens? The consumer, like us, has to pay more tax. And so where does that tax money go? To the government. And so when it's going to the government, it's increasing value in the dollar. Does that make sense? And so if, there's the value of the dollar is increasing, and this means DEX is going up, which, gold, EU, GU, they all correlate against DEXI or the dollar. So that's when it goes down. So when inflation rate is low, that's when, people put more risk into, heavier stuff like gold and indexes and things like that, because they have more money to spend. That's why the cycle goes up and down is, expansion, recession, expansion, recession, expansion, recession. In other words, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Meaning not looking for buys till October? Nah, it won't. I get where you're coming from. Yeah, I understand. Does that make sense though? Like what I just said, how I explained it? Hundreds, bro. Yo. Said you want me to leave. Recession. It's the recession. Starting to get it, eh? How much for the merch? It costs, because I only got, so I got the white tops, the black hoodies, and the white hoodies. like for 20 pieces, because I only got 20 pieces done, it was like $70 per piece. But if I get more done, like say that we're going to do like 100 pieces, it should be cheaper. It should only cost like $50 or some shit. Doesn't look like a good night to trade gold tonight, bro. I know. I know. It's doing absolutely nothing. It's done absolutely nothing all New York session. It's disgusting, man. You want me to leave? I was watching the live from last night today, like a little bit, and then I got to a point where I'm like singing, and I was, bro, the worst singing. I was just like, fuck, that's embarrassing. But do I care? Do I care that I sound shit? No. No, I don't. Because I have confidence. How much for the merch? Oh, bro, honestly, just be at cost. Like if you guys want it, it's only going to be whatever it costs for me to get it printed and then ship it out to you guys. Obviously, wherever you are, like if you're in New Zealand, it might end up costing like $70 or some shit. I'm waiting back to you. You gonna get a hiding. Starting to get a bit of movement here. New hourly. Went to our new hourly. Let's have a look at what that previous hour was. Disgusting. Did absolutely nyanyara. How long are your trading sessions time-wise now compared to when you first started getting payouts? Oh, bros. When I first started trading, I was every session, all day, every day. Now, bro, like maybe, I mean, this is the longest I stay on for a session, 2 hours. I jump on Asian session and then jump on for a little bit in, what do you call it? London session. Yo, I'm keen, need some new hoodies. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm going to chuck it up in the Discord. So if you guys are interested in the merch, you don't have to. Honestly, you don't have to. I'm not trying to start merch for like, profit points. I just wanted to have merch so that Jordan and I can wear them on podcasts and wear them, out and in YouTube videos and stuff. But yeah, if you guys are keen, jump into the Discord because I'll be putting everything through there. The spotlight, oh, you're right. Do you right? I wish I could sing, eh? If I could sing, everyone would know about it. I wouldn't even be a trader. I'll be singing all day. I actually bought this mic. So this mic that I bought is one of those Shure mics. So they're like top of the line. Everyone uses them. I bought it off a guy who does like, he must be like a rapper or something, or does like music and shit. And he was like having a big yarn to me when he dropped it off. He was like, bro, this is honestly the best thing. I've made so much tracks on this, blah, blah, blah. Bro, it was crack up. Gotta show the boys who I trade with. Let's go. What's your entry trigger when you trade JP at Tokyo? Bro, honestly, market structure. Exact same strategy. Bro, I use the exact same thing on every single pair. Like there's nothing different that I change going from pair to pair. They might move different, but market structure is not different. Market structure is the same on every single pair. So just the same, bro. Oh, you're right. We could be getting the sell on gold right now. Do you right? Starting to get rejection, which is good. This is what we want to see. Yeah. Sorry. I know I suck. But just tell me I'm good. Inflate my ego. Bro, can we get a quick zoom out to look at your trading ranges? Oh, you. So this is the hourly from up here to down here. I just don't mark them up, bro. But if I zoom out to the 4 hourly, this is the 4 hourly. Prices come up, created the higher low here, now pushing up higher. And so working range 15 hourly from here to here, hourly overall from here to here. So still just pushing bearish. Might see sell-offs. Onk. Anyone still in sell? Got close to my stop loss, but I'm still holding. Nice, bro. Onk, what do you look for to enter a trade at a POI? Rejection. Yeah. Rejection and volume. If volume is pushing down hard and it gets a quick retrace. Oh, bro, love that. Got me on, could pop it on it. I don't know where we go. We running it with no stop loss? Oh, you're crazy, Russ. You're crazy. When do you usually mark up the 50% zone, bro? Like what time frame? All time frames. All time frames, all ranges. Me in trade at the moment for March. Chat's on fire, Russ. What I don't like is that we're just getting rejection at this low. But if it comes back up into here, then we start to see rejection, solid. But because it's doing stuff like this, like it's getting rejection, pushing up and then coming back down, I want to see it continue to close. Because if it continues to go up from here, there's literally nothing stopping it to going higher. Because at the moment, we're still just creating. Broker structure over here. And so this is the current working range we're in. So you just got to be careful, man. You just got to be careful of that one. Zero discipline tonight. Bro, I've got all that discipline tonight. Where's that discipline, chat? Would you not want closure below the previous low for confirmation? Yeah. That's what I mean, bro. Like to get... Wait, what do you mean? Would you want below the previous low? Like down here? Down here, I would want closure below, yeah. Brisket for the brisket, bro. Say Liz, bro. I love it. Uncle's crazy. So I will be a star of the show. Oh, wow. Da, 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 da. Come on, Russ. What's the time? We've had one 5-minute candle closure. Okay. There's a 5-minute candle up here. Stop loss at BE now. We just enjoy the stream. $100 balance update. Is it gonna show, bro? Hang on. $252.60. Yeah, so we're up. I don't even know. $252.60 from yesterday. I think we were 232 yesterday. Oh, why? Closure below, then pull back to POI or around 50%. Extreme, then entry. Closure below, then pull back to point of interest. God damn. Risky business. Bro, it's just like a lot of consolidation at the moment. I don't like it to be trading. Like, it doesn't look clean to me. How many total trades taken on the challenge? Totally so true. One is something knowing we must do. Oh. 36 trades taken. Is that an internal charge? Like 1 minute charge, 1 minute internal? Nah, not yet. Like if we come down below here, then yep. What pairs correlate well with gold? EU, GU, UJ, anything USD. 50 watching, but 6 likes. Nah, that's a ratchet chat. That's a ratchet chat. Any subscribes? Any subscribes there, chat? You really too. I got that feeling, solely so true. One-on-one is something knowing we must do. Knowing we must do. Alright, coming into that 1 minute point of interest. See if we get rejection off here and then break the low. That'll be ideal. But bro's got mills in the bank. I don't think he cares. What? How long are you usually in your trades before exit? 2 minutes, 4 minutes? Nah, I think my average time's like 49 minutes or something like that. I got subscribe for you. Let's go. 2 minutes to 4 minutes. That's crazy. Bro, this has been a flop session to be trading. Literally wasting time. All right, we're coming into that 5-minute point of interest. Two minutes to 4 minutes because like if I don't often scalp anymore, eh? I wait for like clean setups, bro. If I was scalping, bro, like it'd still be something like, yeah, maybe around that 5 minutes ish. But like, you know, what we're doing tonight, like I'm not trading into that. It's just getting into these trades. It just doesn't look clean to me to be getting in. Just sold and I'm cooked. Just sold and I'm cooked. What do you mean? You went into a sell? If you were to go back to the start with all that you know now, how long would you reckon you'd be profitable? How long would you... Instantly? Oh, bruh. If I had everything that I know right now, bro, I'm instantly... Like, what kind of question is that? My coasty girl. 35, Yeah, I hit a sell and that shit just cooked me. Chat's just not listening tonight, eh? Bro, there's so many people. I've been saying like it's going up all night. It's buys, it's buys. Everyone's, bro, in a sell, in a sell, in a sell. Oh, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Oh, that's unlucky for us. You just hit B. Trigger happy. Oh. Oh, fucking hell. I'm still waiting. Nice. You gotta wait for these confirmations. This is literally the difference between profitable and unprofitable. Wasn't that sell off before and thought it'll be a re-entry? Bros, this is why you need the course. Not only do you learn proper entries and why, you also learn trade management to know where you should be looking at potentially getting out or moving your stop loss to break even. Oh, shit, bro. You just make me crack up, man. Don't let that FOMO get to you, brother. To the universe. I'm sitting on my hands, damn toes, clicking sell, sell, sell. You're going into sales? Oh, you're already in a sell. News at 3:30? What, in the morning? Fuck that. Nah, I was out and got it again. Oh. You can have it all. See, this is the traps. This is the beginner traps that everyone falls into. Look, it's giving you entries for sales again. Oh. Sales going crazy. Yep, up. That bullish 5-minute candle just confirmed it's buys all night. I mean, look at just overall market structure. Like, we're just going up. There's nothing at all telling us that we're going down. Passed the 50k Apex account last night. Now I think I'm a market maker. Now I'm down 1k. Waiting for the big work on NYSE. Don't say sell, honey. Every time you say someone's entering. Fuck me. Oh shit. All right, we got 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Can we wait 11 minutes to see where the volume comes? Reckon you up the volume? Any news today, bro? There was news at 1:30, bros. Like an hour ago, but it did nothing. Late to the party. NY shows your work. Gonna enter on the retest seller. No. Selective hearing. Oh. Oh. You got to look at key levels. We got to look at liquidity. If there's nothing there for us, why is market moving like that? This chat is crack ups. Oh, my boy. Bro, you just cracking me up, bro. Ever since birth. Now I know you said boys up, hoes down. Fix this to a little bit, bro. For real, also I'll be there for you, your hoe. These long looks pissing me off. These shirts and moan. Still up because we caught that pullback and only got BE in the stupid re-entry. Nice. That you ain't even gotta hesitate. It's the beginning of time. And the essence of deviate. Looking forward to FOMO MC. I mean, FOMC. Oh, me. Oh, I didn't know when. Nah, you're not allowed, bros. It's like financial information. Investing advice. Nations up again. If market was a chick right now, stuff that waiting in the car for her. I'm gone, bro. Waiting game is torture. Mind games for real. Nah, bro, you never wait. They come to you. They come to you, bros. This is what you got to do. It's got to come to you. Got to come to where you want to enter. You know? You got to be in control. Wear the pants. Will news be bearish for EU? What do you mean? Like news that happened at 10:30? Thought I found the one, but she's been retested too much times. Oh. Auntie's on the train. Auntie's on the train. We're getting rejection around here. This is a good sign for you guys that are in sales. But we're 7 minutes away from the news that dropped. Yeah, it should have been EU sales. EU sales 10:30. Yeah, it sold off, pulled back to point of interest, selling. Correct, brother. Some guys these days don't know how to wear their pants. That's unlucky, you guys. We wear pants, just no mahi. Auntie's on the train. Someone tell Pal to do a random speech for gold time out. We only wear the pants on payday. Nah, use it too much, bro. Use it too much. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Four minutes away. Oh, financial advice, entertainment only. Now, who else went into that cell? Big whip coming up, bros. Bro was getting his hopes up. Bro was getting his hopes up when it was going down, eh? When's the next party coming, bro? It's become a bit of a religious habit. Yeah, hard. Bro, I've got a new editor starting. The last editor was just rubbish, bro. Like I was just annoyed with all the work. So, not Ali, but the guy after him. So just catching up with a new editor on Friday, and see whether or not all of that starts happening. I'm still on sale with no stop loss, Kefe. I'm still in a sale with no stop loss. Me too. I hope this goes your way for your guys' sake. I hope it sells for your guys' sake, but I'm not looking hopeful. It's not looking hopeful, bros. Please sell off for the boys. Big work energy. Chat is wild. Whoa, bro. Do you want me to go into a cell? I'm giving sports bet vibes at this point. It's giving sports bet vibes. Oh, day yo, Team Huddy. Well, we got 25 seconds. Let's go into a cell, eh? Oh no, I'm not getting stuck in your traps. Nah, honestly though, if it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down from here. Because it's just getting rejection. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down from here. And I hope it does. Hope it does for you guys. But if it goes down and you go into profit, you better take that shit out, bro. You won't sell off that 1 minute. I've been waiting for that 1 minute. Ah. Get down. Go down, Usturi. Is Nez going down? Nez is dropping. Oh, that's so good to see. Beautiful, beautiful work. Beautiful work by Naz and US30. Oh, US30 coming back up, bro? What, you trying to get me into another cell? Trying to get me into another cell, US30. Usgang? Wait for the tap. Buy Nez. Buy Nez? Buy Nez. Oh, actually, yeah. Might buy it from here. That's heavy to go against though, bros. That's crazy. That's a scalp and a half. And I know we should get away. Oh, I know. Did gold come down? Nah. It's like wick down. German 40's going up. US 30. Oh, I just missed it? Why? I know. I can see your attitude. Buy and get swept. Nah, work up and down, catch big whale. To be your man with the diamond ring, she took it away. Bro, look at what gold's doing, bros. I do, I know. You see when austerity's going down? Cherry butter. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh look, gold's going down. Alright, let's see where NES goes above this. Where's our re-entry for austerity? Because, mind you, Asian Sish had a big Sish. Makes sense. MIC would be slow to be choppy. Yeah. Gold is so PMO right now. She gave him a melody to sing, gave him a special flavor. It's just working around my entry point. Bros, just get out of the trade, bros. Wait for a cleaner entry. You don't mince words. Loving sometimes. It's a teaser. Don't fall for it. Oh. She don't misses. Sing a different song. The man will dance till we can walk. 'Cause it's magic what she do. Celebrate, yeah. %2% on Nez. Man, she can move quick. Bro, facts. Nez is dropping lead. What about the guy coming in to trick you or to go into a buy? Buy Nez. Wait, when that guy said buy Nez, who actually bought Nez? Sing a silver song, and we'll dance till we can walk. 'Cause it's magic what she do. Okay, starting to get some bearish momentum. Pulled back into this 15-minute. Let's see if it flips and goes down. 6 minutes left. What does Daniel Holmes trade, bro? SMC. I can't even remember, bros. If I'm honest, can't even remember. Sorry, brother. I think he trades like breakouts. Promises ain't day. There we go. Push. Magic push. And that's 10% in NYSE. 10% made. Beautiful. If price comes back up and gets a closure above this level, which is 23586, I'm in, bruss. Beautiful trade off US 30. See, this is market structure. This is what you guys need to learn. Created the low, pulled back, got rejection from this point of interest, created the breaker structure, pulls back the point of interest, goes down. Let's have a look on gold. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Is that high? No. Higher high, higher low. Lower high. If we end up breaking below here, you might be on. But this is still creating bullish market structure. Oh, too beautiful on US 30. How good, how good. Breaker, here comes the big wick up. We're selling on the wrong side. Who cares? Oh, bros. Well, gold's been shit. Bro, it's because there was nothing on gold. There's nothing on gold at all. It was like from the open. Where was the open? Over here. Like what did it do? The only reason I was looking at buys, like why there's no reason for us to be looking at sells. It literally came down to the low, and this is the news candle. Boom, buys. Just like I was saying. Price comes back down, tests the low. Everyone's going into sells up here. Who knows why? There's no confirmation through here. So this is just some positive reinforcement for you guys. Wait for confirmations. There aren't even candles at this point, just wicks. Bro, that's facts. Oh, there we go, US 30. That was so good. Bro, when's your merch coming out? Bro, if you join the Discord, I'm going to be doing all of the orders and stuff on there. I wasn't actually making them for like merch to sell and stuff. I was just making it so that Jordan and I can wear it in like vlogs and podcasts and stuff like that. But if you guys want some, I don't mind getting them made. It's gonna I'm not gonna sell them at a price, but it's gonna cost like what it costs to make them. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys want to do that, say less, join the Discord. I'm going to be chucking a thing up on there. Up 2% on US 30. Let's go. Well done, brother. Well done. Easy US 30 and NAS sales. Too easy, lad. But yeah, if you guys want some merch, I'm going to be chucking up some orders in there once we get them. So yeah. Oh, here comes gold. Here comes gold, boys. And girls, boys and girls, here comes gold. So if we get some closure below here, we're on. Well, don't work below and then go up. NAS Orb just went crazy. What's Orb, my guy? Mercy. Didn't the song just play? No US Studio on Top Step, eh? Yeah, bro. Yeah, there's US Studio on Top Step. Yo, full much. Dance till we can walk. Opening range break. Just waiting for Trump to start bombing again. Then I'll look at gold buys. He's cracking me up, bro. Twice. Anyway, team, that's going to be me. Made my 10%. Much love, team. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, like, you know, if you guys are gonna jump off and journal, maybe don't go against trend. Like journal not to go against trend, eh? Love, team. I'll see you guys tomorrow, eh?